You are watching Market Watch, the brief overview of the key events from the world of finance. Let's start today with the news that US President Joe Biden has officially withdrawn from the presidential race, which did not come as a surprise. The market reaction was relatively calm. Futures on Wall Street rose slightly, bond yields declined, and the dollar remained virtually unchanged. Biden expressed support for Vice President Kamala Harris, which puts her in the first place for the Democratic nomination. Goldman Sachs noted in its report that it does not expect significant changes in the financial and trade policies of the Democrats in the event of Harris's nomination. Meanwhile, according to an Invesco survey released on Monday, geopolitical rivalries, including escalating trade conflicts between the United States and China, have become a major concern for sovereign wealth funds and central banks managing assets worth about $22 trillion, surpassing inflation. For several years, global investors have been under pressure due to conflicts ranging from military clashes to trade restrictions. However, with inflation easing and elections involving almost half of the world's population, these tensions have come to the fore. As for the oil market, after the impulse decline on Friday, the price was in the middle of a wide global range. It takes time to determine the next direction. Investors will be watching the actions of the U.S. Federal Reserve in relation to the key rate. In addition, China's slow economic growth of 4.7% in the second quarter raised concerns last week about oil demand in the country and continues to put pressure on prices. On Sunday, China published a document containing well-known ambitions, from the development of advanced industries to improving the business environment. However, analysts saw no signs of imminent structural changes in the world's second-largest economy. And now about the crypto markets. In connection with Joe Biden's withdrawal from the U.S. presidential race, the question of the position of the new Democratic candidate Kamala Harris in relation to cryptocurrencies is being updated. Now the attention of analysts and journalists is focused on her views and policies. The main question is, what future awaits the crypto industry if Harris becomes president? Technically, Bitcoin is getting closer to recent highs around $72,000. That's all I have. Follow the news carefully and be prepared for all the surprises of the market.